Hi, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about Shea Butter Lip Balm, and it's put out by LA Colors. This is what it looks like, just to get a good look at it. And this has to be some of the best Shea Butter Lip Balm I've actually ever tried. I just bought it just as a trial run, and man, is it nice. It's soft, it's not sticky, it's not waxy, it doesn't pull. It's very, very smooth, it's very, very hydrating, very moisturizing, and it actually is very, very long lasting on the lips. This particular brand I've never tried before. LA Colors is what it is. This particular color, it came in a couple different shades. It doesn't seem to last long on the shelves either. This is called Sheer Rose, is this color, and that's the color it is. This is almost like kind of like a nudie pink color. That's what that one looks like. And then the one I actually am wearing today is LA color, and I believe this is called the black cherry color. There was only two colors in the store at the time, and really this little video is going to be like a shout out to the Dollar Tree. That's almost reminds me of the smaller version, cheaper version of Costco. If you don't buy it when you see it, you'll probably never see it again. So when I initially went out to buy some, I went to buy it for basically a base for lipstick, something that's moisturizing, not real waxy, but not real runny or thick, or, lots of times I will use vitamin E salve underneath just as a moisturizer. And I thought, I'll try this. And it was so good, I actually went back and bought the second color. And then I went back a third time because I wanted to buy a tube for my aunt to try, and she's just gently over 60 years old. And I asked for her feedback, and she said she absolutely loved it. And so I went back again, like the fourth time, just to look around, and they were mostly wiped off the shelves. That's how popular they were. There was only a couple left, and there was actually a lady in the aisle, and she was kind of looking at it, and I asked her if she'd ever tried it, and she said no. And I think at that time, there was only about 3 tubes left, and there was only the sheer rose color left. The black cherry was all sold out. And so I told her how much I liked it and how moisturizing and hydrating it was. And it wasn't sticky, and it wasn't waxy, and it wasn't thick. It's kind of like a thin layer of moisturizer that's really, really flexible. Like, it doesn't dry, it doesn't crack. It's a great base for a lipstick, which is what I use it for. Today, I have the black cherry on, and I am a lip liner lover. So I do a lip liner, and I kind of fill in the lips with a little bit of the lip liner. So if you do reapply it, it doesn't look patchy, right? You have a base, but beautiful for shine, beautiful for the sheer color. It lasts a long, long time. It's cheap. And again, I picked this up at the Dollar Tree, and the prices at the time, a few months ago, were $1.50 per item in the store, unless otherwise priced. But this particular 2 tubes of Shea Butter Lip Balm, I paid $1.75 for, and I thought, for $1.75, what the hell? You can't go wrong. If you don't like it, chuck it in the garbage. But it was actually a phenomenal product. I would highly recommend it. It's cheap. And, you can use it as the base for under a lipstick. You can use it just on its own. You can use lip liner with it, like I have on, if you wanted. But it is a phenomenal, fantastic product, and I would highly, highly recommend it because it's cheap enough. Like, it's very, very more than affordable, right? And hopefully next time they go on, they might get a few different colors in, but you never know, so we'll see. Anyway, a shout out for LA Colors and the Dollar Tree is where I picked it up. And maybe you can find it somewhere else. And if you do find it somewhere else, it's a great product. Give it a try. The next thing I found at the Dollar Tree, which I haven't looked for in a long time, but I know they're out there in Walmart and everything, is it's the Black Wet n Wild eyeliner. And I actually haven't looked for it for years and years because my eyeliner had lasted a long time. But these have got to be the best eyeliners in whatever colors they have, because it's soft, it's creamy, it's flowing. It's not hard, sticky, and waxy. It's easy to apply. It's easy to spread. And the Wet n Wild has been around forever and a day, like in my younger days. I mean, that's a long time ago already. But anyway, this one here, again, I found this at the Dollar Tree too. It's actually cheaper than Walmart. I paid $1.75 for this huge stick. Like, it's huge. It's probably 6 inches. Or some of them, you get them and they're, you know, about 4 inches for $1.75. So I bought these 3 things, $1.75 each. You can't go wrong. They're the good everyday things, good for bases. You can't go wrong with a good, creamy, long-lasting black eyeliner. And everything, again, from the Dollar Tree. And so it's so reasonably priced. And I never thought in a million years I'd find something cheaper than a Walmart. And, you know, popular name brand. I'm not going to say expensive or high-end or luxury. But they've been around forever and a day. And I think it's just one of those little magic things that just go overlooked. People don't give them a second look for actually how good they actually are, and they are really, really good. It's kind of like the, you know, the diamond in the rough. You know, you don't know till you try it. And when I bought it, I was just so happy with it that I went back and bought another, and then I bought a couple more for gifts for people to try. Anyway, even so, for my aunt, who is gently over 60, she said she really, really liked it. And it is a little bit of a pigmented lip balm, Shea Butter Lip Balm, but it's nice for a little extra color. And lots of times as women get older, a lot of us tend to lose some of the pigment in the lips. So that's another bonus of it. It's soft, it's moisturizing, and lots of times you'll hear older women say their skin gets drier as they get older. So it's moisturizing, and it does add a little bit of color, right? And it's not heavy makeup, but it feels really, really good because it's not sticky and it's not messy and it's not goopy, right? It's a great base. It's just a good for every day. Like I said, whatever you want to use it for. So anyway, a shout out for the Dollar Tree for the LA Colors Shea Butter Lip Balm and the Wet n Wild eyeliner stick. Again, cheaper than Walmart, if you can imagine. Okay, anyway, that's all I have for today's video. And if you give it a try, just pass the message along to other people because it doesn't get any more affordable than that. Anyway, thank you for joining me. Have a great day. And if you find it, enjoy it. Bye for now.